Get excited about the 2016 Toyota Camry. This 4-door, 5-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as a tachometer, a leather steering wheel, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as front and rear side impact airbags, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just 1 previous owner. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.